Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So how to insert a link on a word or sentence? For example, if I just linked a YouTube link inside this word. So I just going to show how to insert this link. Okay. So now let's just enter. Click here. I just said it as click here. I just typed has click here. I just want to first just copy a link. I just copy this main page link. Then you just select a word or sentence that you want to insert link. Then right click on here. You can see option called insert link, and the command shortcut key for insert link was Control plus K. And now just Control V, paste the link and just click on the apply option. So now if you click this, it will open a YouTube page like this. You can insert a link on a word or sentence or paragraph, whatever. You can also copy, edit the link and remove the link by clicking like this. You can easily remove or edit the link by this option. You can also change the text, whatever that you want. So try this on Google Docs now, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below for more content about Google Docs.